In the wake of flash floods caused by torrential rainfall, all educational institutions within the Guwahati Municipal Corporation area have been ordered to close on Tuesday, August 6th. This directive affecting both government and private schools comes from the District Commissioner's Office and is enacted under Section 30.2 of the Disaster Management Act 2005, prioritizing public safety. The official statement issued by the District Commissioner reads, "In view of the situation arising out of the flash flood caused by heavy rains in Guwahati city that occurred on 5/05/08/2024, all the educational institutes, both government and private, are hereby declared closed on 06/08/2024 within the Guwahati Municipal Corporation area. The heavy rainfall has significantly disrupted life in Guwahati, submerging streets and low-lying areas, thereby impeding daily commutes. Key junctions of the city have experienced severe traffic congestion due to the sudden artificial flooding. Meanwhile, the Regional Meteorological Center forecasts a generally cloudy sky with intermittent spells of rain and thunderstorms for Guwahati, suggesting that weather conditions may continue to pose challenges.